Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're exploring a product that promises to combine rich color with hydration. Smashbox Be Legendary Prime and Plush Lipstick in the shade Stylist, a gorgeous rose hue. This is a satin finish lipstick designed to be suitable for all skin types, and it's formulated to deliver intense pigment while keeping your lips moisturized. The lipstick comes in a sleek stick form, making it easy to apply whether you're rushing in the morning or touching up throughout the day. Smashbox emphasizes that it primes your lips for smooth color payoff and plush comfort, which is exactly what caught my attention. Putting it to the test, I found the texture to be incredibly creamy and glide on smooth. The Rose Stylist shade is immediately pigmented. Just a single swipe gives a vibrant true-to-tube color. It didn't settle into fine lines, and the satin finish offered a subtle, sophisticated sheen without feeling sticky. I also appreciated that it didn't dry out my lips, even after several hours, which is a common issue with highly pigmented formulas. What stood out in real-life use is how versatile this shade is. It pairs beautifully with both casual daytime looks and bolder evening makeup. The lipstick feels lightweight yet substantial enough to last through light snacking, though I did notice it requires a touch-up after a full meal. On the pro side, the pigmentation is excellent, the moisturizing aspect genuinely works, and the satin finish gives a polished yet natural effect. The packaging is solid and elegant. Smashbox always nails that. On the flip side, it's not completely transfer-proof, and as mentioned, a full meal will demand a reapplication. Considering the price, this lipstick sits in the mid to high range, but I think it's justified. You're getting a product that's both a high-performing color and a hydrating treatment, which isn't always easy to find in one. Compared to other high-end satin lipsticks, the Be Legendary Prime and Plush holds its own in pigmentation and comfort. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly alternative, other drugstore creamy satin formulas offer similar shades, but the plush feel and true pigmentation here are hard to beat. The build quality of the bullet is strong, the cap clicks securely, and the overall product feels premium. Smashbox's reputation for quality and customer support adds an extra layer of confidence, even if I haven't had to contact them directly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Smashbox Be Legendary Prime and Plush Lipstick and Stylist is a well-rounded option for anyone seeking a rich, comfortable lipstick that doubles as a hydrating treat. It delivers on color intensity, keeps lips feeling soft, and wears beautifully through everyday use. I'd recommend it to anyone who loves a luxurious lipstick that feels as good as it looks. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab this lipstick is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.